Hi guys, Rekha this side. So today we are going to understand loop concept. So here we are going to understand while loop, do while loop, for loop, and we will see what is the difference between in all three loops. So first we will go with this while loop. In the while loop, see both all three loop will give the same output, but the only thing is the syntax is different for all three. So whatever you feel comfortable you can use. I usually use this for loop. So we will understand one by one all the loops. So first we will go with this while loop. So in the while loop it will check the condition first and then it will execute. So first three things is required in all three loops. First one is initialization, second one is condition, and third one is updation. Same in a do while loop we are using initialization and updation and then condition, and in the for loop as well we are using initialization, condition, and updation. So in the while loop, first we will initialize the value and then we will check the condition and then we will update, either increase or decrease. We will increase or decrease the value. In the same way, in the do while loop little bit it's a different. It will execute first and then it will check the condition. And in the for loop, it will check the it is a one liner code. Here we will in one line we will initialize, we will check the condition, and we will update the value. So we will understand while doing a program. So let me open this. So I already have created this uh, project. Now here in this project I will create one package with the name of loop concept. Now I will create one class for while loop concept. So first we will create a main method and we will follow this syntax. First what it is saying, it is saying initialization. So first we will initialize the value, int I is equal to 1. Second what it is saying, it is saying while condition, while loop. Then I will use while loop and then we'll give some boolean expression, that is I is less than equal to 10, and then we will print some statement. Sys out, let's say I'm printing value of I, and then third one is updation. So I will increase the value. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to print numbers, 1 to 10 numbers. Acha, let's say suppose that I'm commenting out this code. Let's understand why we are using this while loop and why we are going to use all three loops. So first let's say suppose that sys out I want to print 10 numbers. So what I'm going to do, I will have to write this statement 10 times, right? Multiple times we will have to write. So what it will take some time, it will utilize the memory. So let's say suppose that here we have a 10 number we can type, but let's say suppose that we need to print 100 numbers. So it will take more and more time to write and it will take more and more memory. So that's why we are using loop. In the loop we will write a two line of code and it will print 100,000 and a number of whatever the number you want to print. So you don't need to write that number of times. So here it is saving our time, saving our memory. So that's why we are using this loop. So you can use any of the loop out of three loops. So now let me run this program and check the output. See, it is giving 10 numbers. Now we can check the do while loop condition. while loop. So in the do while loop, it will execute first and then it will check the condition. First we will make a main method, and how it is working, let me explain you first this if condition. See, I have initialized the value 1. Now it will check the condition. 1 is less than equal to 10. Yes, condition is true. Then it will print this statement, and after that, after printing value 1, it will increase the value. Now value is 2. So now again it will check, is 2 is less than equal to 10. Yes, condition is true. If condition is true, then it will print this value, and then after printing number 2, it will increase the value. Now I is equal to will be 3. Now again 3 is less than equal to 10. Yes, condition is true. It is satisfying the condition. Then again it will print the value, and after printing number 3, it will increase the value. Now value is 4. Again it will check, 4 is less than equal to 10. Yes, condition is true. And then after that again it will print the number 4, and then it will increase the value 5. So it will continue till 10 number. Now after once I is equal to 10, it will check 10 is less than equal to 10. Yes, 10 is equal to 10. Then it will print the value, and again it will increase the value. Now I is equal to 11. So what it will do, again it will check the condition. 11 is less than equal to 10. No, it is not less than or equal to 10, it is greater than. So what it will do, it won't go inside this statement, it will not print, because condition is not satisfying, and it will come out of this loop. So this is how it works. Now we will understand this do while loop. In the do while loop, again we will follow this syntax. What it is saying, it is saying initialization. So first we will initialize the value int I is equal to 1, and then what it is saying, do and then statement sys out, and in the statement, let's say again I am going to print 1 to 10 number, and after statement it is saying updation. So again here we will update I plus plus, and after updation we will check the condition while, and again I am going to put the condition I is less than equal to 10. So here how it will work again. So first I will check this I is equal to 1. So what it will do, first it will print this I is equal to 1, and after printing the value 1, it will increase the value. Now the I value is 2, but first it will check the condition, first one, this one, because it is executing first and then checking the condition. So again we will check 1 is less than equal to 10. Yes, condition is true. Now it will go inside this, but value is already increased here. So now I is equal to will be 2. Again it will print the number 2, and again after printing the number, it will increase the value. Now I will be 3, but it will check the condition for 2 only. So 2 is less than equal to 10. Yes, condition is correct. Then it will come here, and it will increase the value 3. So again it will print the number 3, it will print the number 3 here, and after that it will increase the I value, but here condition will check for the 3 number. So 3 is less than equal to 10. Yes, correct. Again it will go inside here, and it will change internally I value, and then again it will come under this statement and print the number 4. So it will go till 10 number, and once again it suppose that it is coming here till 10. So what it will do, it will go inside the statement, it will print the number 10, and now it will increase the value 11, but it will check the condition for 10 number. Again if condition is true, then again it will come here, and it will increase the value 11. So now what it will do, it will come out of this body, because now number is 11, so it will print only 10. But if number is increased, then condition will not satisfy here. If you can see here, I value is 11 now, so 11 is less than equal to 10, no condition will not satisfy. Then what it will do, it will come out of this body. So this is how it works internally. So now we will see the for loop. For loop condition, again here we will write a main method, and we will use this for loop condition. We will follow the syntax only. So what it is saying, for and then initialization, condition, and then updation. So first we will initialize the value, int I is equal to 1, and now we are going to put the condition. So again I am putting the same condition, I is less than equal to 10, and then updation, I increment, and then now we are going to provide this statement. So sys out, let me print the number only. So in the same way, it will check number is 1, it will check the condition 1 is less than equal to 10, yes. So now it will increase the value here, but first it will print the number and then it will increase the number. So first it will print the number here 1, and now I value got increased, now I will be, number will be 2 here. Now it will check the condition 2 is less than equal to 10, yes, condition is true. Then what it will do, it will print first and then it will increase the value here. So likewise it will continue the loop till 10 number. So here I will put the number 1 here, and I will run this program. So it is giving this number. So if you want to print any table, then you can as write a asterisk and 2. Suppose that I want to print a table for 2. So see, it is. And if you want to print any other table like 12, so you can write 12, then you can get the table for 12. So suppose that if you want to print in a decreasing order like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what you will have to do, you will have to write here 10, and here instead of increasing, here we will do decreasing order, greater than equal to not 10, it will be 1, because we want to print in a decreasing order 10 to 1, and here we will have to decrease the value minus minus. Let me run this program and check the output. See, it is printing in a decreasing order 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So likewise you can use this loop. So all three loops will give the same output. So as per your comfortable, as per your understanding, you can use any of them. If you understand, if you like this video, please subscribe, comment and like. If you have any doubt, you can put in the comment, I will answer you. Thank you.